Hello, my friends. Thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. On a straight line, there are 4 points. We measured the distance between any 2 points, and got 6 numbers, but one of them was blurred. So what is this blurred number? Why not give a try, and we will come back soon. Let's first take a look at the longest distance. It must be between the first point and the last point. The first possibility is the largest number in the clear ones, the 14 centimeters. And the other possibility is the blurred one. Let's first check if it's possible to be the blurred one. Now we consider the second longest distance, which may be between the first and the third points, or between the second and the fourth points. In fact, it doesn't really matter which one is between these two. Let's assume that it is between the second and fourth points, and certainly its length is 14 centimeters. It is further divided into 2 segments by the third point, and the 2 segments add up to 14 centimeters, so they could be 3 and 11 centimeters, or 2 and 12 centimeters. Let's assume they are 3 and 11 centimeters. Then out of the remaining 2 distances, the shorter one is 2, and the longer one is 12 centimeters. The problem is that, no matter it is 2 plus 3, or 2 plus 11, the summation cannot be equal to 12 centimeters. In the other case, the 2 segments that make up 14 centimeters are 2 and 12. Similarly, no matter it is 3 plus 2, or 3 plus 12, the summation cannot be equal to 11 centimeters. So this situation just simply doesn't work, and the blurred number cannot be the longest distance. Then the longest is then 14 centimeters. Now we know that both the second point and the third point can divide the 14 centimeters into 2 segments. One is 3 and 11 centimeters. The other is 2 and 12 centimeters. So the blurred data is the distance of the middle segment, which is equal to 14 minus 2 and minus 3, and it is 9 centimeters. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.